I wish it would stay up. I look so crazy because like my hair is really bad and I need to redo it, but like I just haven't had the time because guess what today is? Today is moving day. Ugh, hold on. Okay, I'm back and I actually forgot like at least 20 minutes that I had started recording this intro. And I just never came back. But then I remembered, oh, yeah. But as you can see, my posters are gone. And you probably can see the closet is pretty much empty except for like that one box because I shall be moving today. Well, I'm not gonna have all my stuff moved because like I still need to work for the rest of the week. And I don't plan on moving my work stuff until the internet for sure is set up at my new place and all that stuff. So today I will be going over there, getting the keys and everything. And I will show you guys an empty apartment tour. And I'm probably gonna have a few different videos coming about the apartment just because I don't have any other content right now other than like my sessions. But I haven't even been posting those. I've just been recording them and just never posted. So yeah, so we'll see. But yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to transition over to the apartment. Oh my goodness. So, oh my God. So as soon as you walk in, here is the laundry room. And then over here, we have the kitchen. Yes. And the fridge. And then this beautiful archway, I love it. And then here is the dining room and the living space with the fireplace. I don't like my blinds being wide open. So we could go ahead and close those. I don't have any carpet, so I did not know that, and I don't really like that. I didn't know my unit wouldn't have carpet. So the fireplace is like really fucking nice. So I'm gonna always have slippers on. And then if you come in here, this is the bedroom. It's echoey because it's empty. Oh, these are open too. Damn, y'all just want everybody to sleep in my place. And here's the closet. Huge closet. So I definitely need to get a tape measure from my dad and measure across here because I want a rug for my room. I don't want to be on hardwood floors when I wake out of bed. Here is a linen closet and the bathroom. Holy shit. This bathroom is a lot bigger than I thought it was. My counter isn't as big as I thought it was gonna be though. So, thought my counter would be a little bit longer. I think this is like an accessibility one because it has like bars everywhere. But look at that tub, bruh. That's what I wanted the most. This is really awkward. I don't like that this is so close to the tub. But at least I can put like a hamper or something right here. Something to hold the toilet paper since there's like literally no cabinet space. And then here's a linen closet. I'll probably put a lot of my makeup in there. Oh, let me turn the light off. We ain't got time. We ain't got time. But okay, this is nice, nice, nice. Oh, the bar space is, okay, it's pretty deep. I can put some chairs there. So, okay, so I look rough, so sorry. But that was the apartment tour. As you can see, I'm actually back at my house, cleaning out my room. My bed is right there. That's hard. And then the dresser. And then some stuff over here that needs to be taken over to my apartment. But yes, I'm moving out of my parents' home. And that was the apartment tour. It was kind of bad, so sorry about that. But I kind of got excited and I forgot I was filming, so I wasn't really paying attention to how the camera was filming. But hopefully you can see it for the most part. If not, don't worry about it. I'm going to do a fully furnished apartment tour once I have it decorated and everything like I want. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Bye.